Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the tracking tutorial on CapCut. So if you want to add text or stickers that follows a certain part or a certain object in your video, you can do this steps. So first, just add the stickers or text that you want. I'm going to find a sticker first. Okay, just bear with me a second. Okay, I'm going to just add a random sticker, I think. Okay, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, and then after that, adjust on how long you want the stickers to appear in your video. And then here at the bottom, just go to tracking and choose the area that you want the stickers to follow. In this case, I'm going to use like this, and then after that, just click on start tracking and it will start tracking. You can just wait until it finished. Okay, after it finished, it will move like this based on the area that you want to track. So it will follow the left hand of this person like that. And you can do this also with text, so you can just add the text, and then after that click on the text and click on tracking, and choose the part that you want the text to follow or track. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.